Okay, I'm struggling with this because for some reason this doesn't work. Come on. Come on. It just doesn't want to work. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Fuzz Rides. And today we have a BMW GS 310. So it is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, and I'm in the middle of some industrial area. I don't even know where it is. I will just wear my gloves. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Fuzz Rides. And how have you all guys been? Hopefully you guys are doing good. And yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. So I'll be just riding home from here. I haven't ever ridden this motorcycle ever, so I have no idea how it is. I don't know why it doesn't want to open. Let's try once more, if in case it works. Either I'm doing it wrong. Is there any button? Oh yeah, I was doing it wrong. So I have space. I can just put the helmet inside. Yes. Baby. Now I've done it. Now I figured it out. Now it's all good to go. Now let's just turn on the motorcycle. This is actually BMW 310GS. This bike is... Okay, this is the first time I'm sitting in the bike actually. And this bike is actually big. It looks big. I mean, it feels big. So my dear friends, welcome back to Fuzz Drives. And this is Fayaz, your host. And we are going from Dubai to Sharjah. I hope there is not a lot of wind noise, because there was quite a lot before, but now it's kind of like it's okay, not that bad. So I've set it up in such a way that it's not gonna be affecting too much. Okay, so this is a very good touring bike actually, and especially for those who are really concerned about mileage and stuff like that, like you need a better fuel economy and stuff. This is a very good bike for that, because it gives you a very decent fuel economy. You cannot compare it with a GS 1300, definitely not. 1000cc below that, right? And it has only single cylinder. It gives you around about 35 to 40 kilometers per liter. What are you guys doing? And they want to cross the road without the... Wow, that was weird. It felt like as if I'm in Sharjah all of a sudden, not in Dubai. They wanted to cross the road. The sitting position of this bike is really nice, upright, and I'm literally enjoying the sitting position. No problems in terms of that. I mean, I'm so comfortable with the way I'm sitting. comfortable and it is easygoing. But the only thing that I'm not liking it at all on this bike is that it has literally no power. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Holy shit. So 0 to 100 in 3 business days. This is how fast it is. Man. I think I'm just gonna stop at any petrol pump or gas station. Does it have cruise control? No, it doesn't have a cruise control. Holy shit. Oh my god. This bike does not have a cruise control. Oh my god. 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 I'm freaking out. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I ride a lot of bikes without cruise control, but it's an adventure bike. BMW, TVS. What the fuck are you doing? I mean, come on. You can just put some cruise control. It's not a big deal. I'm not asking for too much. It's not like I'm asking for adaptive cruise control or something. Well, I don't want all of that. I don't want fancy stuff. Just normal cruise control. Oh, man. That sucks. So far, I was about to appreciate a lot about this bike, and all of a sudden, when I realized that it does not have a cruise control, I'm like, oh no! No! This motorcycle belonged to a gentleman who bought a BMW 1250 from me. Okay? So I sold him a BMW R1250 RS. It's a beautiful bike actually. And that has almost everything. Now I'm beginning to wonder how he would be feeling. Quite literally, how would he be feeling? From 300 jumping 1000 cc on top. Wow, you just broke the law. Come on, bro. You don't do that. It's Dubai. Where is he going? I don't even know what he's doing. Fuck. These kind of people need to get, they should. Look at him. Okay, I'm not gonna curse. Come on. Cheer up. You have a BMW under your... Yeah, it's... Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. Come on. It's okay. It's good. Ashoka Leyland. Yeah, guys, don't be surprised. Ashoka Leyland buses are running in Dubai. Yeah. Look at that sunset. Oh, that's beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Come on, guys. I'm sure you guys are going to agree. It's a beautiful sunset. Except for the electrical pole and the wires going all the way. Well, okay, I'm just going to stop somewhere. So I'll be on the right lane. 6th gear. Just cruising, 75. Damn. I usually ride at 75 kilometers per hour on the 1st gear, not the 6th. It's a good bike though, for a beginner or anyone who is watching outside of UAE, maybe in say for example Pakistan or India and places like that. Yeah, this is a good bike for the roads over there because it's not that extreme. Decent power, not for my standards, but if you talk about as a just like a biker, yeah, it's decent power output, and it does feel very comfortable, no doubt about that. I'm very comfortable with the bike, and it's all upright position, and this windshield is really nice altogether. Come on, where is the petrol pump? Come on, I can't see a petrol pump. Abu Dhabi left, Sharjah straight. Oh yeah, come on, you can do it, I know it's too much, for a 300cc, but yeah, why not? It's a good bike. No, really, it is a good bike. Come on, stop laughing. Okay, you can laugh a little bit, but don't laugh too much. Ideally, this is good bike for, as I said, South Asian countries or East Asian countries. This bike would be really a good one overall, ideally. And especially for beginners, new riders, people who are not really used to a lot of power, those people will love this bike, really love this bike. But then this bike is only for a short time. It's not going to be sticking with you for a long time, that's for sure. Because when you're riding kilometers and kilometers and kilometers just because you want to gain experience in handling and control and stuff like that, of course you're learning. This is all learning curve, right? Like you're riding your motorcycle and you're learning how to ride. So ideally this is for beginners and those who are not really comfortable with too much power, those people, and especially women riders. And women love this kind of bikes actually, and this looks good actually. This looks beautiful. It's kind of cute though. I really like the way it looks. It doesn't look aggressive and it looks kind of cute. No, really cute. No, I'm really not kidding. It is cute. Okay? And to be honest, here the leadership of Dubai, you should actually learn from them. Like Indian, Pakistanis, almost all the governments, they should actually learn from them, because they're not selfish at all. In fact, they do so much for the people. Sometimes expat like us, especially me, I get jealous that, come on, you guys are getting free medical, free schooling, high salary, everything, wallah, and I am working so hard and I'm not getting anything because I happen to be an Indian. So anyways, that's just cribbing. I crib a lot. Get used to it, guys. This is the new me. There's a new me in town who's always cribbing. I like bikes with loud exhaust. You guys know, I really love those bikes.